Now, once you've started work on the design, you can then share that design with other members of your team so that they can work on it with you. So for example, what you would do with this design is you'd click this share button. And then you would choose a member of your team. You would then determine which privileges that individual has. You can give them viewing privileges, or you can give them editing privileges. Or you can send it to your entire team to give them the same level of privileges. So in this case, we would just click the Send Invites button to this document. That individual, when they come to their screen, they're going to notice then they're going to have a link there that says Shared with You. They're going to click inside of that link. They're then going to be able to click inside of that document. They can then decide to use this document as a template, or they can click Edit to bring it into their canvas. And they'll then be able to make changes to the document. And once they've made changes, they'll have some options. They'll then be able to either publish this to a specific output or leave their changes. Once you refresh the page, what you'll notice is that you'll see the changes have been made. You'll notice then that there's a note from Canva indicating that another individual is editing the document. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.